Hey, this is a demo of the clean slate template for the MetaDomainer plugin. Now, I've actually done this video, started it a couple of times, and I keep going too far down the rabbit hole of all the things it can do. So I'm going to probably do two videos. I'll start with a beginner video, then maybe I'll shoot a longer advanced video. But this is the sort of beginner version of using the clean slate template, okay? So you'll see that there is padding here. This is the title, and there's some text, and there's a menu that's inserted in here. This has padding set by a CSS class. So you don't need to know that, but you can know that this is actually responsive code. So if I go like this, you're going to see it's fully responsive based on device, right? So there's a little bit of padding there. And that is controlled in the template. Just a quick show for advanced users. It's the clean slate class. So you could just change the padding to 0 here, and it would eliminate all of the borders. You could add more padding. It would make it shorter. So that's kind of how that works. So that's the only advanced thing I'm going to try to show here, but who knows where we'll go. I keep having to reshoot this video because I keep getting too excited to show all the features. So if I started from scratch, I would go in here, click Add a Domain. I'm going to type in clean slate demo.com. I'm going to pick on the clean slate template. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Publish. And now I'm going to open this in a new window. I'm going to close the old one. And you can see it's completely blank. There's nothing here. Now, if you just wanted to start with a pre-done template, you could use our shortcodes, and you could drop in the small biz template. And now I just dropped that in. I'm going to click on Update. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to reload. By the way, I'm still fighting a cold. It's been 2 weeks. Got to get rid of this thing. And you can see it dropped in the small biz template, which gives you sections, which gives you different content you can write. It shows you how to use the font awesome icons. So that's one thing you can do with the clean slate template to make a nice site. And just a quick tip, these shortcodes, I need to do a whole demo video on these, but these are shortcodes that I created that actually replace Bootstrap CSS classes. So you can use Bootstrap CSS, I should say Bootstrap HTML. You can use Bootstrap CSS inside of these. So for example, this is a padding element, and so if I move that padding element, it will change the size of this, right? So it's just one little thing to show you on there. But that is the small business template. Now you might be wondering, well, this is going to be great for video landing page. How do I use it for video landing page? Well, with WordPress, you could just copy a URL of a YouTube video. I can go in here, I can just drop it in there, like so. Click on Update, reload, and now I have a full page video. So you could show a full video, and then you could add a call to action below it. Just type in whatever your call to action is, right? And I could do obviously you can add an image button. I do need to get some button shortcodes in a coming update, but you can use other codes if you want. And I'm just going to make this big heading and bold, right? And I'm just going to click on Update, and I'll reload. And you'll see now there's a video with a call to action below it. So that's a simple video page, right? So you can use that, and you can also drop in opt-in boxes as well. So I could go in here, and I don't have code ready. Let me go to one of my other sites. So this is my simple 3x.com. I cleared my cache. And you can see I have this little landing page, right? Now I'm going to go into the source code of this page. I know I said not advanced, but I just want to look for the Aweber code here, which I think is here. So I'm going to go and copy this Aweber code. Feels like I'm missing a div there. No, I'm right. So I'm going to copy that code, and I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to go to text mode, and I'm going to drop that in there. And I think there's an extra p tag. I'm going to click on Update and reload. And now I have an opt-in form. I got a little extra space. So you just grab your opt-in code from your, from your provider and drop it in. Then you have an opt-in box. Now, one of the neat things is I'm going to take this code. If you know what Aweber is, you know that the code just looked familiar to you. But any opt-in code you can just drop in. Now we also have shortcodes for columns. So this is a 2-column layout. There's the 1/2 content. I'm going to drop in some lorem content there. I'm going to go, this is my little toolkit. This is another little thing here, lorem content. And I'm going to go and just you take that space. I need to go in text mode. and I'm going to drop in my Aweber code again, and now I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to reload, and now I have text on the left and my opt-in form box on the right. Pretty cool. Now that's also responsive. It should be, there you go, so it's responsive. And so that is how you can add a quick opt-in page. Obviously you can go to the top and you can add in some call to action. In fact, we have a code for that, which is here. So I can go here, domain headline. There's a headline shortcode. It's preset with this domain is for sale. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like. And reload. And now you have domain is for sale, right? Now you can use other elements of WordPress in here. I can add a line, click on update, go back here, reload, and you can see a line. The other thing you can do is, and maybe I won't show you in this example, maybe I will. If I go and copy HTML from another source, like this, I'm going to copy this code here, and I'm just going to go back here. I'm in visual mode. See my lorem code right here? I'm going to get rid of, oops, I'm going to get rid of that code like that. You see it's there, and it's there. I'm going to paste this in visual mode, and I just pasted that in. Now I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to reload. And you can see it inherited the HTML of that other page. So I instantly just copied that page here. Make sense? Now another thing to mention from here is there's a big image logo, right? I'm going to save this image. And I'm going to go to my download folder, which I like to put them in. And so I just downloaded that image. I'm going to go back here. And now I'm going to go here and I'm going to upload that image. And boom, boom. And I got to go to, oh, I have to blur some of this stuff out. Upload the image. It's set for full size. I'm going to center it. And now I'm going to update. Okay, so I added the image, and now I can go back here and reload the page. And now you're going to see that the image is right there, right? Actually, it did not center for me. Why did it not center for me? Let's try that again. Update, reload. Okay, that might have a little glitch there. All right, that could be an issue with, that's something to investigate right there. Okay, so now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to open this up and reload, and it's left aligned. I think there's an issue with the CSS for the center images, so I'll have to figure that out. But for now, just, you know, you can upload an image there. There is a way to center it, but I will figure that out for another video. But let me go back here, and what should I show you next? So I'm going to get rid of this code, and I'll look for some other shortcodes in here. Oh yeah, that's what I need to talk about. So there's some pre-done shortcodes like domain title, domain headline, links menu, portfolio, of course, Amazon ads. So I'm just going to drop these in here, and I want to show you that if I want to display Amazon ads here, I can do that with a search phrase tag. And if I want to put portfolio in here, I can do that as well. So I'm going to do a portfolio table, and I'm going to do that. And I can also do a menu class. So I'm going to type in my menu name, which is my affiliate links 1. And I am going to get rid of that. And I'm going to update, and I'm going to reload, and you're going to see the domain title. Domain is for sale. This is an affiliate link list. This is my portfolio table, my domains for sale, and these are Amazon ads. So those are all shortcodes that can populate a template. So let's just say you want to create your own Amazon template. It's as simple as getting rid of this stuff here and using the shortcode Amazon ads, adding in your phrase keyword. So maybe it is dog toys, right? Click on update and view it, and now you have dog toys on here. You obviously need the disclaimers, you need other things, but I just want to show some quick examples here. So if you're just promoting an affiliate product, you can add in images. Let's say you wanted a landing page like this with an affiliate product. There's multiple columns, and maybe you have a image like a, let me see what I can find here that has, maybe you're selling, what can I put in here that you're selling? Maybe you're selling air conditioners, all right? I'm going to grab this image like that, and you can type in here, best air conditioners, and just update and reload, and you have an image on the left and you have text on the right. So there's a lot you can do with a clean slate. This is just a beginner template, but the idea here is that you would use it for quick pages with text, drop in an ad, do landing pages, video pages, opt-in pages, or just use it as a way to do a quick organization or link pages, or make your own link pages too, you could do. So that's a basic overview of the clean slate template. Essentially, there's only one option, meta title description on this, but you can use all these other options and fill them in as well. But they won't appear because it's a clean slate template. So hope this was helpful, and I hope to do a more advanced version in the future.